My name is Jonathan Taylor. I'm the Marketing and Technical Manager for Civil Survey Solutions, and we're based in Sydney, Australia. Our app is called Civil Site Design. It sits on top of BricsCAD, and it's a civil design tool to enable people to design anything from roads to land development to earthworks to pipes, all within the one application, aimed at civil engineers who want a quick and efficient and speedy design solution. The problem we're solving is that there's very limited good civil software in the marketplace at the moment. Now, our competitors have solutions, but they're extremely slow and cumbersome. When we provide our software on top of BricsCAD, we're providing an extremely lean and quick solution, whereas other products can't offer that. To know that Bricsys are offering a civil option with BricsCAD now gives us something to harness onto and then get us into the world of BIM.